RUPES is a fully Italian company operating since early 50s in manufacturing power tools. In the beginning, it was more about drills and grinders. Then more and more, we got specialized in sanding and polishing. I'm old enough to remember the people assembling tool screw by hand. Now, of course, we have automated system. The automation starts from the design of the tool, which does include the assembly afterwards.
We choose to use a robot in order to reduce all the different sort of waste that can happen into a production line, as well as the motion, as well the non-value added activity. That's what mainly the robot can help us into doing something that was not value added for the final customer. We have more characteristic that we appreciate of a universal robot. It's very user-friendly. We have 2 blue collars that start using the robot without any problems in a couple of weeks. Now we are able to adapt the universal robot product to different products because it is very easy to have a huge scope of using of it. This robot is also able to move and produce activities on different models of machines and never forgetting the quality. That's why we, after setting the machine, we were able to have a no defects product. It was very nice to collaborate with AluMotion. It was not an easy project, but we worked together trying to adjust all our requests with the product from AluMotion. And at the end, we solved it. Now we are able to do something very different with the same robot, and maybe in the future we will use the same robots for different using, trying to develop more and more our product line.
When we met the concept of collaborative robot, it was like turning a light on for us. It perfectly matches our philosophy, where the human factor is still one of the key points. Now to see those robots doing all the repetitive tasks together with our people, it is something that makes us proud.